been here a year, and I couldn't have picked a more beautiful place to be and spend part of my anniversary, I guess. Now there's a few subscribers, recent subscribers, asked me, you know, why did I come here, and you know, why I did what I did, and it scares me to look back and think what I did. You know, I just sold everything and came here and left my whole life behind. My plan while I was in the UK was to obviously get myself out of the debt I was in, and that's where most of my money went, to get me out of debt, and to come over here and live more of a simple life and hopefully help people, especially these street kids and what have you, which I've done quite a bit. You know, some I've told you about, lots I haven't told you about, and that still is my aim, is to help where I can. So I came here on a low budget, and Jeff back in the UK, please don't come on my kind of budget. I've been talking to you about it. It's going to be suicide, mate, because coming here has had its challenges, but a lot of positivity's come out of these challenges, and I'm still here a year later, and I hope I'm going to be here for a few years yet. So what do I love about the Philippines? It's people! Hi! And what I'd like to say as well is, apart from the obvious challenge I had while I was in Bulacan, the majority of Filipino people I've met has been absolutely wonderful. They're really kind and nice people, and you know, yeah, there's a lot of bad Filipinos, I guess, but there's lots of bad people anywhere you go in the West, you know, not just in the Philippines. But I've been lucky and I've met some really nice people that's been really kind, and you know, I've made some good friends, which is essential if you're going to move to the Philippines. So I'm here. I've proved you can live on a low budget. Now obviously you can't really tell anybody how much they need to live in the Philippines or anywhere in Asia, because it depends on your lifestyle, it depends on, you know, how simple you want to live, it depends if you smoke, if you drink, you know, if you like partying. See, I don't really do any of them things, so that's why I can live on a low budget. I am really living simple. And now I've done that, I want to get out and about around the Philippines. Now I have had some kind people subscribe to me Patreon. I really need more to do any kind of a distance. Some really lovely places. My favourite, Karamoan, Lukban. That was a really nice place, and I really recommend people visit Lukban if they ever get the chance. Where else have I been? Daet, Angeles City, which was interesting, to say the least. I've been to loads. I haven't got to really leave out Angelica Beach. Angelica is fantastic. It's a trip that is a must. You must visit Angelica. And then of course I ended up in Naga, which is now my home, as you know. I love Naga. I love everywhere around Naga. So I'm a little bit biased when it comes to Naga, I guess. But you know, if you want to have a simple lifestyle, a happy lifestyle, and obviously a healthy lifestyle, because Naga, the air here is beautifully clean and clear, fresh. This is is the place to come. So now I've been here a year and I've lived on my budget and I've proven it can be done. The following years I want to visit more places in the Philippines, and obviously I can only do that with your support, and thanks to the guys who've supported me already on Patreon. And you know, that money will go to good use, and hopefully we'll be able to show you some more of the Philippines. And that's basically what I want to do. I want to travel around the Philippines and see some more places, and to build my knowledge base for all the nice places to go in the Philippines. And obviously a thing that's close to my heart is helping people as well. And again, with your support, I can do that kind of thing. It's been quite a challenge, but I think I've overcome all these challenges. But on the whole, my experience here has been really good, and I hope that continues to be the case, but I'm sure it will be. And now I've been here a year, I'm more comfortable, I'm more knowledgeable, and I know I can make it work. Short of a disaster happening, like a financial collapse or something like that, you know, I should be here for the next few years, hopefully. And now I've met this beautiful young lady called Melody, and we've got engaged. I'm really looking forward to getting married and making a life here, basically. So again, as always, I want to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, and please keep giving me the thumbs up, please keep supporting my channel, and thanks to my patrons, the support you give me on there, I really do appreciate it. Thanks so very much, and I'll hope to meet you all one day, you never know. So if you visit the Philippines, drop me a line and let's have a coffee.